Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. Instagram story notify feature option not showing. Here's the solution. Firstly, open the settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and click on the apps option. Click on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now, go back to the previous page and click on force stop. Click on OK. And after this, go back to the home page and open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram and update it if not. Now go back to the home page and open the Instagram. Now at the top left corner, click on your story and select an image. At the top, click on it and here's your notify option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.